Hello, this is Tim Corey with a Photoshop tutorial here, and today we're going to show how to increase your Photoshop paintbrush tool with just only 2 buttons, as you can see. Most of us on YouTube, or that has been searching of how to do this, always finds Control, Alt, and right mouse button, and then they increase the size like this and decrease like this. As you can see, this is not really ordeal for the most of us. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do that. How to increase and decrease like this. So what you're going to do is find the Windows search bar tool and search for Wacom tablet properties. Once you find that, you're going to click on Photoshop application, and then you're going to click on the pen tool. That is right next to the tablet tool. So then you're going to see the pen image. On the right of it, you're going to see the keystroke commands, or whatever it shows within those boxes. You're going to click the first box, and then after that you're going to click on keyboard and then keystroke. After that you're going to see the keys, or it says define keystroke. Use your pointing device to click OK to accept or cancel to exit. So you're going to put in this very key, okay? Just like this key, and it will decrease the size of your paintbrush tool. You're going to click on OK. And then you're going to do the same thing for the bottom button. So then keyboard keystroke. And then you're going to click on this keyboard command on your keyboard, and that will increase your brush size. Okay, we're going to see if that works, and lo and behold, it works. Okay, so after that, if you like this video, leave a like if this helped you, and also subscribe to this channel. And also another thing I will show you, on the Adobe Photoshop website, we're going to see all the keyboard shortcuts that will be useful if you cannot locate them within Photoshop. As you can see, these are the Windows shortcuts, and there's Mac as well, if you have trouble. And also they're the same of what I have been showing. So if this video has helped, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.